If you want to change your download location in Helium browser, it only takes a few clicks. Start by going to the top right corner of the browser and clicking the three-dot menu. From there, open Settings. In the Settings menu, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Downloads. Before changing our download location, there are two useful options worth knowing. First, you can enable Ask Where to Save Each File before downloading. If this is turned on, Helium will prompt you every time so you can choose a location on the spot instead of using a default folder. Second, there's Show Downloads when they're done. When enabled, this will automatically open or highlight your downloads once they finish, so you can quickly access them without searching. Now we can finally change our download location. Click Change and pick the folder where you want your files to go from now on. That's it. Your downloads will now automatically save to the new location, and that's how you change your download location in Helium browser.